Assalamu alaikum everyone, how are you? So today we're going to be creating a cake topper. So as Eid is coming up, I decided to make a cake for myself and my family, and we're all in quarantine, so we're going to be making a cake. This isn't a tutorial, this is just me trying to figure how to make a cake topper, a DIY thing, and I'm just gonna have you guys here for company. This is what I need for the cake topper. It's a very simple process. So here I've got a template printed. I'm going to put the link down below, and it's got Eid Mubarak written on it, but as you can see it's sort of flipped. So it's important to flip it because what we're going to do is, this is my glitter sheet. I'm going to sort of paste this on top of my glitter sheet, and then I'm going to cut it using this as a template. And what that's going to give me is that, because the printout is flipped, it's going to give me the letters Eid Mubarak written right side up, and then I'm going to use this as my cake topper. I'm going to put a bamboo stick, and it's as simple as that. Let's get started. The first thing that I want to do is, I'm not going to be using glue or tape to put this on the glitter sheet because the glitter sheet already has a sticky surface. So what I'm going to do is, I'm just going to sort of take this off and stick my template, align the edges. Yep, looks about right. Yes, this is what we're going for. So I'm just gonna cut the rest of the glitter paper off quickly. And as you can see, my tools are really old. Wow. So the scissor is sticking to the sheet. Hopefully that's not going to be a problem for long. I'm just going to cut the paper from here as well, so that it gives us a nice small sheet to work with. So let's get started. I'm just going to quickly fast forward through the entire cutting process. Just remember that the better and sharper your scissors are, the easier it's going to be for you. Just be very careful. I'm just starting at the edges. Now for the central part, we've got ourselves a paper cutter right here. All we're gonna do is, we're just gonna sort of make an indentation here. Then go in with our scissors. there we have it. And now the only thing that's left is I'm gonna try and sort of put some detailing into these A's. Now there are two ways that you can do this. You can just sort of cut some white paper. For instance, I've got this paper. I'm just gonna cut like a little round circle, and I'm gonna put it right here like so. And we can do this for all of our letters, or alternatively you can just sort of cut it with a scissor. So depending on what you're feeling or how confident you are, you can do either one of these things.